Greetings and salutations, everybody. I've got a package in from eBay, and I've got quite a few actually, so I figured better start getting through them, or I'm literally going to fall behind on the plan for the layout. And some of these things might be for the layout, but I'm really not sure. But let's give this a shot. I'm trying to even surprise myself with the package buildup. So let's see what this is. Let's save this for later. Oh, I know what this is. This won't be too exciting, but it's definitely going to be something that's necessary. A couple of crossings, a couple of fast-track O-gauge crossings. They are used, and you can actually tell that they are used. Now, I don't know if they've been, if this is oxidation or what's on top of this. The black all over, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, it is really showing up there. There is a lot of black on those. Eventually when we connect it, we'll clean it, probably. But for instance, let's look over here at this one piece here. Let me move this trolley out of the way. This is a fresh, piece of fast track compared to this one. Look at the difference. Now, again, is this weathering that someone did on purpose? Or is it simply that it's old and it's been used extensively and now they've taken the track apart? Even the tips, you can see the tips. It's a little, let's look at the tips. There's a little bit of oxidation on there. Hey, but you know what? All I care about ultimately is, are they working? And it doesn't look like there's any observable damage on them. It looks exactly what it should be. Tail looks like it definitely was on another layout, because you can see there's some ballast that actually is still glued to it that's coming off. It's interesting. It almost looks like it's weathered to almost have like a green mossy look on it if you actually compare it to the other one. But again, wish it was a piece of rolling stock or one of the engines I ordered. But for right now, this is definitely needed. All right, everybody. Hopefully soon we'll be getting to see this little guy run around the track. That'll probably be the opening part of this. And I mentioned before with the house, the train house, I'm actually going to make it into a trolley house because the openings are a little small for the standard, a regular O-gauge engine, but this might fit. And that is going to look great because I actually have a couple of these different styles, but roughly the same size. So thanks everybody for watching. Hope you come back. Hope you subscribe. Hope you'll consider sharing with someone and like. And I'd really love it if you just leave a comment. Like I said, I'm just an amateur that is just starting out on this long journey, this odyssey. That's why the page is called, the YouTube channel is called OGO, O-Gauge Odyssey. That's the whole point. So hope you'll give it a chance. And hope you'll come back next time for another update on the layout and the stock as it comes in. Thanks, everybody. Have a great one.